Guys, I want to show you one of my most favorite fragrances I purchased in my life. It's not an underrated fragrance. It's a fragrance I haven't did a review on yet, but I want to share this fragrance with you because I feel this is one of my nicest fragrance on my collection. And this fragrance is very close to my heart because it smells just gorgeous. The fragrance I'm talking about is Cutlash Island. So Cutlash Island do have a lot of other ones as well. You get the Dune and you get the Dream. Dream I don't think is available in Africa as yet. If you do have it available, please let me know. I would really like to purchase that. But Cutlash Island is one of the nicest fragrances I blind bought in my life. This has got one of the cleanest, freshest smells that I've ever smelled in my life. I feel this has got a lot of nice minty, ginger, fresh, cucumbery smell. I'm not even looking at the notes because I don't even know what the notes is. This is just what I smell, and I smell a very nice, clean fragrance. Guys, I just love this fragrance. I will always have this fragrance in my collection. I believe most of you have this fragrance in your collection, and I must be honest with you, Cutlash Island is one of the nicest, freshest, long-lasting, projecting fragrances that you can get in South Africa at this stage. If you don't have this, make a plan, do some saving, and buy it. Not too expensive, but I must be honest with you, you have to add this to your collection. Beautiful fragrance, fresh fragrance. This is one that you just wear. You have it at the shower. As soon as you go in the shower, you just spray it on. It's just a lovely, beautiful, projecting fragrance that you will enjoy. I promise you, you will enjoy this fragrance.